Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. Today I have a fashion video for you guys. I haven't done a fashion video in a very long time. About 2 or so years I haven't done a fashion video. I've done reviews, but I haven't done like a lookbook type video. So today I want to do my very first try on haul slash lookbook. I am not sure how I'm going to edit it yet, but I want it to be basically me trying on clothes that I've got. I'm a bit of an upcycler. I like to release my creative juices and I like to make things look different. I just like revamping clothes. So this is basically going to be me revamping a couple pieces that I have. When you're tiny in body, a lot of things tend to fit you easily, whether it's smaller than you or if it's bigger than you, it can fit you some way somehow. Because I'm small, my brother and I basically wear like the same size that like he wore when he was like way younger, because you guys have seen him, he's taller than me now and whatever. So he was about to throw out a couple pieces and I was like, hell no bro, give them to me, let me, you know, let me figure out what I'm going to do with them, because I can definitely turn them into something. So I took a couple pieces from him and also I think about 2 pieces from my dad that were brand new, but he didn't wear them because they were bigger than him. So I'm going to show you guys how I style them or revamp them in this video. Before we get into the video, let me encourage you, hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit it already, and please thumbs up this video if you liked this lookbook slash try on haul type video. Alright, so most of these pieces are shirts. Yeah, about like 2, I only have like about 2 pants or shirts or whatever in there. I hope you guys can hear me over the dogs barking in the background because they're being very annoying right now. But the very first piece that I want to show you guys is this yellow Rocawear shirt. I remember when Rocawear was like a big deal, but it's not anymore. But this is how the shirt looks. You guys have seen me wear this in a video before. It's just a regular Rocawear shirt with like different color writings on it. And this one fits me pretty big, but you know, well enough. So I'm excited to see how I'm going to style this. And I really love the yellow. I think it definitely complements my skin tone. This was from Rocawear, as I said, so it's just a regular Rocawear t-shirt. So this next piece of clothing I also wore in a video before, because I started to wear them before I made this video. This is a like a sweat shirt type material top. It's like a jersey with the P on it for Philly. It's just like a baseball inspired jersey. He got this years ago, because you guys know like kids wear this stuff, like not like teenagers. So he got this years ago, but I absolutely love the blue and red colors in it, and I love the white P. And I also got this hat to match. So I'm gonna be styling these 2 together. It's dirty, it needs to be washed, but whatever. I'm gonna style these 2 together and show you guys what I came up with. The next item is this sweatshirt, and it's kind of like a horizontally striped yellow and gray tone sweater. The sleeves are pretty long, but they won't fit me full length because they're shorter than my arms are. But I love the collar. I don't think I'm going to lose the collar. I think I'm going to keep it. But this is by Timberland. So yeah, he had these a while back. I think I have another one as well in green. I don't know if it's a Timberland one, but I know it's also a sweatshirt, so I'm going to show you guys that one as well. I want to maintain as much of the quality of this material as I can, so I'm going to try not to rip it too much, but I'm definitely going to switch up the style of this sweatshirt and make it look different. So next is another shirt. This one he got like probably in his teenage years, but it doesn't really fit him anymore. It's gotten short, so it's just another Rocawear t-shirt with like a red and black logo on it. This is how it looks. Gray shirt. I think this one, yeah, this one is going to fit me big as well, and it has the Rocawear logo on the back right here. Now this one is like mad old. This is the True Urban Academy, that's what it says. Pro school hip hop since 1975. It is also by True Urban. Alright, I don't even know that brand, but this is how it looks. It has like the fraud double shirt sleeve look on it, and I love the logo. I think the logo is real nice, especially if I decide to jazz this up with some gold jewelry or something. And I love the green, because green is definitely not a color that I would go for normally. So I'm also excited to see how I'll style this one as well. Into jeans now or shorts, I got like 2 of those. I have this one by Champs. Yeah, these are jeans shorts for him, but you know, they don't fit anymore, so I got these as well. And it has like a W sign on the back, I don't know, or a symbol, whatever. But I'm definitely going to cut these, and I think they're definitely going to fit me high waist. So I'm excited about that because I've been really loving high waist jeans lately. I think I'm really gonna like these. So yeah. And then the final pair of shorts are these blue plaid. I love this blue. Like, blue is one of my favorite colors, by the way, and this is one of my favorite blues ever. I love like pretty much every shade of blue except for navy blue. I like navy blue in like eyeshadow, but in clothes, nah. But yeah, I really love this sky blue type pants. It has pockets on the sides and pockets on the back, and the material is not thick at all, so I'm definitely excited to see how I'm going to style this one. I don't think I want to cut it too short, and this one also is definitely going to fit me high waist, so I'm excited about that. But this is just how these look. And then I have two final items. Both these shirts I got from my dad. So of course those are like gonna be like huge on me because I'm pretty small. So the very first one is this one by, I don't know, it just says Squares on the back. Oh, it says Virtual Clothing, yeah, by Virtual Clothing Company, and it just looks like this. It's a black and white shirt. If you guys look closer, you guys will see the gray detail on it. It has like what do you call that, like back in the day, the ancient gods type, I don't know, something's happening on the shirt itself. It has an eagle on the front, and it also has these two swords on the back, so it gives me kind of like a grungy vibe. I really like that, so I'm excited to see how I'm gonna style this one. I think I'm gonna do like a, I don't know, I might just make this a shirt dress or something. Let's see. This one I wore on my birthday, and this is the final item. It's another grungy type shirt, very similar to the one that I just showed you guys. And this is how it looks. And this one is by, wait, let me see, Hybrid. Yeah, it's by Hybrid Threads, and the material is so friggin' soft. I ended up turning this into a shirt dress, so I'm just gonna show you guys me wearing this as a shirt dress. It's super comfortable. The material is so soft, and I love the print again on the front. Very grungy, love it. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a video like this, so I really hope you guys like it. If you guys want more videos like this, of course, thumbs up this video and tell me in the comment section. If you guys want more try-on hauls, I could do a swimsuit edition for you guys. If you want to see that, then get this video to 200 thumbs up and I'll make a video like that for you. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. And guys, if you want to keep up with everything that I do other than YouTube, then you could go ahead and follow me on my social media sites. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. It's NaturallyMsToya on everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Showing what will my pen do? I say whatever I feel, I'm unapologetic. I give a fuck if I offend you. Fans riding me sick, I'm so sick of the boo. When we wanna hear that rap bump in the trunk music, I got this beat behind me.